Thanks for joining me today. If you're joining me for the first time, I am Shell Vaughn, the Review Chick. Today I'm so excited because I got my Secret Santa gift from the Hope Harris Secret Santa. This was my first time participating in Hope's Secret Santa, and I just really enjoyed the experience in shopping for my Secret Santa. I'll link her video below in the description box, and you can see what I got her. As you can see my box here, and my Secret Santa, she really wrapped this box. It is wrapped in a layer of tape, protective tape. You know, she made sure that my gift did not get any type of tears on her wonderful wrapping job that she did. She wrapped this gift, honey. Yeah. I am going to get ready to open this because I can't wait to see what is inside. So I have my handy dandy scissors here so that I can get into this box. Oh yes, that looks good. And I'm gonna start with the card first. Okay, it says Merry Christmas. It says this is what the card looks like. It says wishing you a Christmas filled with peace and joy. Hope you enjoy all your presents. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Secret Santa. Thank you, Secret Santa. Merry Christmas to you too. I guess I'll start with what I can see first. And she got me some Ferrero Rocher chocolates. Oh my god, and you know what? I have never tried these. So thank you. I can't wait to try these. Girl, I love chocolate. I love chocolate. And I can't wait. I'm gonna try them on Christmas Eve. So I'll do a taste test on Christmas Eve with these lovely chocolates. Oh gosh, thank you so much. Okay. This is the first package. Oh, and I love this wrapping paper. Let me just open it up. See what it is. Oh! Real Technique brushes. Thank you. Oh my god. It has, let me see what it has. It has a pointed foundation brush, a buffering brush, and a contour brush. Oh, thanks! Next package. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much! I've been trying to find this movie. If anybody knows me, I know I'm a big Eddie Murphy fan. And she got me a CD with the four Eddie Murphy movies on there. Oh, thank you so much. I said I wasn't gonna cry. Oh gosh. Thank you. I haven't even got through all my stuff yet. I'm up here crying. Oh gosh. Let's see. In the bag. Oh gosh, girl. Some Wet n Wild mascara. Oh, some earrings. I gotta find an outfit. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Some Wet n Wild blush. Liquid eyeliner, H2O proof. Oh, a cute headband. Oh my goodness. Some NYC color nail polish. It's called Broadway Burgundy Frost and Pink Bling. You know, I like the bling, girl. Yes, you do. Oh goodness. Sinful Colors. Purple Diamond. I love this. NYC color is top gold. It's a top coat. And it has the gold shimmers. And she got me some lippies. Color Design Custom Lip Styling. And this is the color Lavender. I can't open that up. Then it's another color design, and it is Burgundy. And then this is Wet n Wild, and it's Smoking Hot Pink. I love these. Oh gosh! It's a 26-piece eyeshadow palette. And it's purple. And it's blingy. Thank you. And it's my hard candy. Oh, man. Bath and Body Works and Wild Madagascar Vanilla. Well, I was about to pick this up for myself, and you got this for me. I'm so glad I didn't pick it up. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh, and she got me some house shoes, and they're pink. I need me some more house shoes. Oh, girl. Oh, you got me some wax melts. This is cranberry apple martini and cupcake. Oh my gosh, you know, I love things that smell good. I mean, I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. Oh! A Bath and Body Works candle and pumpkin spice cheesecake. Oh. I love my candles. I love the wax melts. I love all this stuff. You know, got to have your house smelling good. Got to have that smelling good. As long as yourself, you know. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I can add this to my makeup collection. Organize it even more. Add it to my other organizers because I'm running out of space with those. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, girl. Thank you. A Kenneth Cole reaction purse. Yes. Oh. And how'd you know I like big purses, girl? Yes. I love big purses. Yes, I have a lot of room to put all my stuff in it. So I put a lot of stuff in my purse. It has so much room. Look at that. And it has compartments. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has compartments here, like 2 for your cell phone, wallet, and then it has a big zipper here. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I want to know who this person that was my Secret Santa. I want to know who she was. And I mean, I cannot wait until you reveal yourself to me. You just made my whole Christmas. You really did. I just thank you so much for all the time that you took in selecting the items that you selected for me to give me. Thank you so much. And Merry Christmas to you and your family. And yeah. I'm just gonna wait until, I see your reveal, you reveal yourself to me, and we will talk. Thank you again. And thank you, Hope Harris, for having this Secret Santa. I really enjoyed it. And just thank you. Thank you for doing it. And I look forward to doing it again next year. And Merry Christmas to everyone. And I'll see you in the new year. Whoa.